Hello, welcome to BISP Solutions. We are an IT and consulting service provider specializing in APM, BI, and data visualization technologies. I am Ashish Kumar Jain, a techno-functional consultant with diversified experience in Oracle Cloud implementation and support in Hyperion Planning and Budgeting Cloud Services, Hyperion Financial Reporting, Enterprise Performance Reporting Cloud Services, and Narrative Reporting. In this session, we will discuss about creating charts and narrative reporting under management reports. To create charts, we need to go under narrative reporting, we need to go to reports and we need to create a report. When we create report, it asks us for a data source. So either I could directly go with setting up a grid or I could directly create a chart. So in order to create a chart, we need to add chart. Once we create add chart, we need to click on setup chart and then it will ask for data source. Now for this particular report, I would be using strategic workforce planning cube for creating a chart based on gender and age band under employee demographics. Once you click the data source, the chart gets connected to the data source. Now, in order to set up your chart, you need to set up your grid. This grid will result into the required data for creating the presentation of charts. So for creating a employee demographic, I need to make changes in my point of view. So I want to have my component as first component as gender in here. So I just keep gender in rows and I just move account to the top. And I want to have my chart view for a range of years. Once done, you have to select your point of view. So I want to create my chart based on my scenario being plant scenario. I just take my scenario as plant, version working. So I want to keep my version as working to retrieve my data. Currency, the data for employee demographics is submitted at no currency level. So I'm connecting to no currency. The entity that I would be using will fall under, since I am using HCM cloud. So the entity that I would be using would fall under HCM group. So under total HCM US, I'm just selecting one of the entity, say HR service desk. I want to have the information of all my jobs. So I select total jobs and my account being, I want to have the information under workforce planning, expense assumptions, under under planning assumptions. I want to have my data for total headcount. Employee again will be, I want to have my data for all my employees. So I select total employees. Total component again being total component. And since I need all the age band group to retrieve data for gender, so I just keep it as total age band. And again, another demographic that I need to define, I have to define all the intersections. So for this, I am again taking it as total higher education and total skill set. So once I have selected my point of view, I need to select the account for genders. So under gender, I want to retrieve my data under total gender category for total male and female in my application. And the period that I need in here, I would be selecting year total so that I get the data for all the years, all the months, sorry. So I just select year total and I want to have my data for the range of years. So in order to get the range of years, I go to all years and I select children of all years. So after selecting all my point of view and year and period, I just click save, and I just save this chart as demographics. So once I save this, let me just have a preview whether I'm getting the data or not. Yes, I should get data. Yes, I'm getting data for my plan year 20 to 24. So I need to have a suppression enabled for the years with no data. So to enable suppression, I just go to no data and make suppression true in here. Again, if I just go to chart data, I could see my chart being displayed in here. So I have my chart data in here, and if I preview this, I will have the representation of my chart. So this is the kind of chart that I have with male and female. Now, if I want to change the chart type, I need to go to chart presentation, and I could select the kind of chart. So you could have either a bar chart, a staggered bar chart, a bar chart with column staggered bar chart, or line chart. So for this demographic as gender, I'm just keeping it as line chart. Again, if I move to chart data and if I click preview, I will get the representation in line form. I don't want to have my year total displayed in here. So in order to make the particular changes, I need to go to source data, and I don't want to display my period in my chart. So I just hide that row. Go to year total, and under row, I click displays hide. So once I move back to my chart data and I click preview, I will have my data for all the years in a straight line. And since the data belongs to category 3 and 6 for all the years, it gives me a straight line here. You close this and you make the adjustments so that you could have the view accordingly. So I want to utilize my complete space for this particular chart. I click preview, I will get the representation. Now, if I want to make any changes to this particular chart, instead of getting my gender in here, I want to have my age band. So to make those changes, you again go to source data, and in order to make the changes, I want to have my age band in here. So I again go to dimension layout, and instead of gender, I want to create my chart based on age band. So I move my age band in here, and I move my gender to point of view. I hide my dimension layout. Once I hide my dimension layout, okay, okay, the I instead of age band, I just have gender in here. So age band goes in here, and I need to move gender. I hide my dimension layout, and now I could select the age band. So under age band, again, if I will take the children of all the age band in here to get my data, and I need to select the gender in my POV. So again, I take total gender in here. If I preview, I will get my data. So I'm getting my data under predefined age band. So I want to have all my age bands in here. So I again go to age band, and instead of just predefined age band, I want to have all my age bands in here. So what I will do, I will take children of predefined age band and I just move this total age band. When I click OK, I will have my data for all my age bands. Now, again, I want to change the display of my chart presentation. So I go to chart presentation and now I want to use staggered chart instead of line chart. So I click staggered in here and when I click chart data and when I click preview, I will get my chart defined for age band. And once you hover on the bars, you could see the display of that particular age band for all the years. You save this and you can close this. And once you close this, you could use this particular chart and your reporting. Either you could use the same for your management reporting, internal management reporting, and also you could use the same chart in your report package. So this is how we could create charts under narrative reporting. Thank you for being part of this session.